Hi, I'm your host Jeremy and this is Lingo. Yes, in this lesson we're gonna learn how to express thanks in Chinese. So today we're going to teach you 3 different expressions of saying thank you, thanks. The first one is very common, which is 谢谢, 谢谢. Like we learned many times, right? 谢谢你的帮助, thanks for your help, right? The next expression is 感谢, which is more academic. You don't really say 感谢 in our daily conversation in oral Chinese. Most of the times you use it in a very proper meeting and when you're writing letters. So let me give you some examples. 感谢你们的盛情款待，感谢你们的盛情款待。Thank you for your hospitality. Thank you for your hospitality. 感谢您在百忙之中抽空见我们。感谢您在百忙之中抽空见我们。Thank you for meeting us in such a busy schedule. Now the last one we're gonna learn is very dope, it's very native. That is 多亏了，多亏了。If you use this one, I bet all your Chinese friends will be very surprised and think you're a Chinese expert. So let me explain this one for you. 多亏了，多 is like many, right? 亏 is like so it's more like thanks to, because of you, thanks to, because of you, or you can regard it as due to, because of your help, because of your offering, so I can have this chance, so I can do much better. Let me give you some examples. 多亏了你的帮助，我才能成功。多亏了你的帮助，我才能成功。Thanks to your help, I can succeed. Thanks to your help, I can succeed. Or you can simply say, due to your help, I can succeed. Or you can say, I can succeed because of your help. 多亏了你的帮助，我才能找回电脑上丢失的信息。多亏了你的帮助，我才能找回到电脑上丢失的信息。Well, thanks to your help, I can retrieve all the lost information in my computer. Thanks to your help, I can retrieve all the lost information in my computer. Now you get it? Now 3 different ways to express your thanks, your gratitude. The first one, 谢谢, very common. The second one, bit of academic, that is 感谢, 感谢. The last one I said, it's very dope, it's very native, which is 多亏了, 多亏了. It's more like thanks to, due to, and because of. Alright, I hope you can manage all of the 3. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.